Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now, this is our another video in integration series. In this, I am going to show you how to integrate Excel sheet with NetSuite with the help of Python. Now, let's why this integration is required. Let's take a scenario that in a company there are few people those who are good in technology but few people those who are not good enough in technology, and they are familiar only with Excel sheet. They need only data and manipulate them, that's it. Or for the validation purpose they need only data. So instead of giving them credentials and forcing them to use NetSuite, it is better to integrate Excel sheet with NetSuite with the help of Python and give them a button. They will hit that button and all the data from the NetSuite will be populated in that Excel sheet. So isn't it so easy for them? So this practice is done in most of the companies when the employee needs only Excel sheet instead of forcing them to work with NetSuite. Second scenario is that suppose the client wants one more layer of communication. For example, one manager, he wants to see all the sales order data which are open along with their customer name. Now, only for this work, you are giving him credential and asking him to go to a particular page and then run that saved search. So it's our work is to make the life easy. So instead of doing these complications, we will just give him the Excel sheet and with a button. Let me show you one example. One more thing, we need some configurations also for this requirement. One is the Python should be installed on your system. Second, all the necessary libraries are to be installed. Third is RESTlet link. Now here two developers are required. One is Python developer and one is NetSuite developer. NetSuite developer will create the RESTlet and hand over it to Python developer. Python developer will integrate that API with Excel. So let's see this. Here we have one Excel sheet, right? Now the manager wants all the sales order data which are remaining for fulfillment, which are required for fulfillment. He just want to see or download that data. Now we have integrated this Excel sheet with NetSuite. I have integrated this Excel sheet with NetSuite, and then here a button is given, get sales order data. That's it. Now that manager will hit this button. Now I'm going to hit the button. See, now this is the command prompt. A command of Python will be executed in this command prompt, and that Python command will pull the data from the NetSuite. See here, this is the saved search that I have created in the NetSuite. Now I have created this data into the NetSuite saved search. Now that Python code will pull this data. This is 176 records, right? Total 176 records. Now this Python is pulling one by one all the data from the NetSuite records, right? So let's wait for few minutes, for few seconds, and till then we will see the code working behind this. Now see here, this is the Python code. We will provide the link and the token ID and consumer ID. And here you will see here the import libraries, all libraries are working behind it. And finally, this Excel wings, it will populate all the data into the Excel sheet. For this purpose, we have to write down a macro. See here. Now this macro will run behind this. This macro will be attached with that button, and then this macro will run, and this button, as soon as this button is clicked, see here, as soon as this button is clicked, that macro will be hit, and that macro will call the Python command, and that Python command will pull the data from NetSuite and populate it into the Excel sheet. Clear? So this is how it works. So guys, this data is now uploaded when we hit this button, right? We hit this button, this Excel sheet command is run into the command prompt, and then this you can see here total. Let me show you this. total is 176 records. See here, 176 records are downloaded into this Excel sheet. Now they can make use whatever they want. Total all 176 records. So this is how we can make the task much easier for the manager, that okay, whatever you want, we will provide you into the Excel sheet. You just need to hit the button. That's it. No credentials are required to fetch the data from that NetSuite. Just put the token ID and put the link, restrict link there. One restrict link will be created, and that link will run until someone touch that link. Otherwise, the script, once the link is created, here you can see, this link, API link is created, and that link is given to the developer, Python developer. This link is pasted here. See, this is that link. And finally, with the help of macros, this command is running. So this is another most important feature here, because in most of the companies it is required, because few members are good in technologies, few members are not good enough in technology. So we provide solution for those also who are not sound in technology. So in this way we can help them. That, see here, this is all the, you can add as many buttons as you want. For example, if some other manager, he wants to download the data of all the purchase orders last month, so in this way we can do this type of exercise. So guys, I recommend you to practice this, and if you face any difficulty, then you can put your questions in the comment box. I will resolve it. And those who are new for this channel, please share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. So guys, practice this, and thanks for watching the video.